Welcome to the world of affordable embroidery with the Brother PE540D, our most affordable embroidery-only machine ever. Backed by our lifetime technical support, the PE540D is packed with wonderful features usually found on more expensive models that help make embroidery fun and easy. Like 100 built-in designs, including 35 built-in Disney designs, plus the ability to connect to more designs from your computer and exclusive access to more than 5,000 designs on Embroidery.com, as well as from third-party sites. A big 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area to add character and characters to just about anything. A bright, easy-to-use touchscreen. 120 built-in pattern combinations to frame your embroidery masterpieces. An advanced needle threading system. Just one push of a lever does it. And a fast 400 stitch per minute embroidery speed, so you can make more magic in less time. What kind of magic? The magic of dozens of built-in Disney embroidery designs. So unlock that magic right out of the box, right now, with the Brother PE540D embroidery-only machine.
Welcome to the world of affordable sewing and embroidery with the Brother SE400. With this computer-connectable, versatile, and easy-to-use machine, you can go from sewing to embroidering in minutes. The SE400 offers a versatile array of 67 sewing stitches, 70 built-in embroidery designs, 120 frame pattern combinations, and 5 fonts. And the 4x4-inch embroidery area is just the right size for doing your favorite monogrammed applique. You can even import thousands of embroidery designs from Embroidery.com and other websites for virtually unlimited design options. You also get 8 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. The SE400 is easy to set up and use. Features like the automatic needle threader and quick set top drop-in bobbin are big time and frustration savers. And the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. The SE400 includes a range of editing features you control through the easy-to-use touch screen. You can also use the touch screen to access built-in tutorials, change your settings, and more. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great sewing and embroidery features, including accessories and Brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use SE400 from Brother.
sewer or embroiderer interested in taking your skills to the next level? Then why not check out the PE770 embroidery machine from Brother? This computerized machine, perfect for any embroidery enthusiast, is easy to learn, easy to use, and a great choice whether you want to embroider delicate fabrics or more sturdy items like denim. Beyond the fact that the PE770 is made by Brother, a leader in embroidery technology, what makes the machine a must-have for your crafting room? Let's take a look at the top features that will help turn embroidery from your hobby to your passion. First, the PE770 has a large 5x7 embroidery area, which allows you to express your creative vision on larger items like tote bags. And you'll want to get expressive when you see the machine's assortment of 136 built-in embroidery designs, 10 built-in frame designs, and 6 built-in fonts. Not enough designs? Then visit iBroidery.com, the Brother embroidery design website where designs can be purchased individually. There are thousands of designs to choose from, including Disney, Warner Brothers, and lifestyle designs, as well as a selection of alphabet designs. The PE770, which has computer connectivity, makes design import easy. Simply download designs from iBroidery.com or your computer to a USB stick and insert the stick in the conveniently located USB port. Another great feature of the PE770 is the large backlit LCD screen, which is easy to see and easy to use. Use the screen for design selection and editing, to view the helpful built-in tutorials, to set machine preferences, and more. With all of the features of the PE770, you'll probably want to use it all the time to make as many creations as possible. Luckily, the machine stitches at a speedy 650 stitches per minute, so you can complete more designs faster. Whether you're interested in making beautiful home decor items or recycling your clothing with new embellishment, the computerized PE770 is the machine for you. To learn more, visit brother-usa.com.